my channel. It is me, and today my mom bought me new fidgets the other day, like probably another day ago. So I'm gonna be reviewing the fidgets that I got. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that we have that I really want to show you guys are my pop tubes. Pop tubes are my literal dream fidgets. Like seriously, my dream fidget toys. Every time since I watched fidget toy videos and I've seen these, I've always wanted one of these. So first I'm going to be showing you the blue one. The purple one. The red one. The yellow one. And the green one. Oh my gosh, guys, like look how long these are. Oh my gosh, guys, like look how long these things are. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna be showing you these puppets. I have to be careful with this because it actually popped on the top. Guys, look at that. So I'm just gonna show you. So first let's do the puppets. This one is like one of those like little DoorDash arrow, you know, kinda, but it's green. This one. Okay, this is the quiet side. Okay, it doesn't make any sound, you know, because it's quiet side. Now the loud side. That's so good. I love this one because I like the way how it's like the arrow. Okay, next puppet. This is my favorite one because look how pretty it is. And next, I have a secret to tell you about this puppet. It glows in the dark. This is the quiet side. It's really tough. And the loud side.
Where did you get it from?
Amazon. No, not the pop tubes, baby. You bite them. Okay, next is the box. Look how many fidgets are in. Okay, guys, so here I got the fidget box. Look how many fidgets are in there. Really cool. No, baby. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, guys. So first we have these pea poppers. So these are called pea poppers, but they have little faces, and there's more on the sides too. The sides ones are really hard to get up, you know, but this one is so cute and it's not hard. So yeah, and also on the other side it has a face too. It's really cute. Okay guys, so enough with the poppers. Okay, now we have tangles. So this tangle is red and black. Look how cool this is. Really cool, guys. And this one is white and black. It's so cool. I love them. Next, I have snappers. I have a rainbow one, which is multicolored, and I have a black one. It's really cool. It's for exercising your hands. I love them. They're so fun. And I got a simple dimple. Loud side. Quiet side.
Yeah.
Loud side.
Yeah.
I love this thing so much. Like, I've been waiting for this too, but more for the pop tubes. But the next one is simple dimple. I love it. It comes with this little keychain. You can take it out and put it on. Next are these mini poppets. They actually glow in the dark too. They glow in the dark. These are mini poppets. Okay, so first I have this one, which is one of these. It's shaped as a pea popper. Quiet side, loud side. Okay, and I got this one with 4. Quiet side, loud side. And it's a little keychain too. Okay, next we have my 4th favorite, the Infinity Cube. It's so cool. You guys want to see? Look. It's really fun, and you can entertain yourself with this a lot because you can move it around a lot the same way. It's really cool. It entertains you. Fidget toys entertain you so much. Like, they're amazing. Next that came are 3 Marble meshes. I got a blue, yellow, and a green one. So this is the blue. And this is the yellow. And this is the green. Next I have this quiet wacky track. It's so weird. It's quiet. You can literally like use it as a tangle. What? This could be a DIY tangle because it doesn't make any noise and it isn't even that flexible. Like, what's this? It's weak. Well guys, that's all the fidgets I have that came from Amazon. So guys, I hope you guys had a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified every time when I post a new video. Bye!